everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marla Meridith. For those of you who are already subscribers, welcome back. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Today we're going to be working on the most delicious vegetarian enchiladas, chock full of vegetables with my homemade red enchilada sauce that is out of this world. I'll leave the link for that video in the description of this one. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm certain these are going to become your favorite enchiladas.
My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love. Yeah, call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love. Yeah, call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love. Yeah.
If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It was wonderful to see you here today, and I can't wait to see you back here soon.